Hi guys! This lesson, we're going to talk about obstacle avoidance. Before starting this game, please install the ultrasonic sensor on the expansion hole of robot's left arm. The installation method, principle, and command used in this video can be viewed in the file under the same directory. Now let's get started. Open ALX terminal, enter command and press enter to come to the directory of game programmings. Please note that you must pay attention to case sensitivity. I can find a keyword with tab key. Then enter the following command and press enter to start the game. You'd better start this game in a world surrounding. Let's look at the performance. Okay, this is the end of the video. Please have a try.